Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at have or have got. For example, I've got a nice cup of tea. I've got a nice cup of tea. I've got a nice biscuit. I've got a nice biscuit to dunk in my tea later. Or I have a nice cup of tea, or I have a nice biscuit. Which one do you choose? If you're writing a formal letter, if you're doing something formally, use have. If you're speaking one-to-one or doing text messaging or emails to friends, use have got. I've got two brothers and a sister. I have two brothers and a sister. The meaning is the same. It's just formality. In negatives and questions, it depends again on whether it's a formal situation or informal. For example, a question, do you have any brothers or sisters? We make the question with do. Do you have any brothers or sisters? In formal English. Informally, have you got any brothers or sisters? Have you got? The same idea with negative sentences. I don't have any brothers or sisters. Do not have, don't, do not, don't. I don't have any brothers or sisters. Or I haven't got, have not got. Haven't got. I haven't got any brothers or sisters. So again, formally, make the question or the negative with do. In informal English, you can use got. Have or haven't got. English grammar, have and have got. It's easy peasy. I've got my cup of tea. I've got my custard cream biscuit. Very English is to dunk your biscuit in your tea, which is what I'm going to do now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now. Don't do this in formal situations. Wonderful.